Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Pearcleaner. It's a completely free app that helps you thoroughly uninstall software on your Mac. Now, I know there are a lot of apps that can do this, but in this video, I want to share how to specifically install and use Pearcleaner on macOS because it's open source and you can use it entirely for free. First, go ahead and Google the keyword Pearcleaner Mac GitHub. Then, click on this result right here. Once you're here, scroll down a bit. You'll see which macOS versions are supported. If you're a homebrew user, you can install it with just this single command line. If you don't use Homebrew, scroll back up and click on the latest link under the Releases section. Right here, you can see the latest version was updated on November 27, 2025. Scroll down to the Assets section, and you'll see the versions available for download. You can choose the compressed file for the ARM version if you have an M-series chip, or the version for Intel Macs. I'm going to download the DMG installation file for M-series Macs. Once the download is finished, you'll have this pearcleaner.dmg file. Double-click on it. Then, simply drag the app icon into your Applications folder. And just like that, it's installed. Now, let me share with you how to use this app. Whenever you want to uninstall an app, just hit Command-Space. Then type Pearcleaner to launch it. Since it's your first time, you'll get a notification saying the app was downloaded from the internet and asking if you want to open it. Just click Open. If your Mac asks for other access permissions, just follow the instructions on the screen. Since I've installed this app before, those permission settings are saved in my system, so you might not see them pop up on my screen right now. Once the app is open, you'll see an interface that looks like this. On the left side, it displays all your current applications. To remove one, just click on it. For example, I'm going to delete the ScreenPal app. At this point, the window on the right will list all the related files located in different folders linked to the app you want to remove. Please note that this app searches for related files by the app name, so occasionally it might get confused. To be sure, look at the file paths and names to double-check that these files actually belong to the app you want to uninstall. If you see a file that was selected by mistake, just uncheck it. If not, just leave it as is and click the delete button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. The app will be completely removed, including cache files and configuration files scattered around your Mac. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.